Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be doing SHEIN try on haul. It's not going to be a styling video, but I'm going to show you what I just recently purchased from SHEIN. Actually, I was going to buy just one thing that I needed for an event, and I was going to go on a low budget, and I went into SHEIN website and I saw some of other things that I feel like I want to work with in the future, like doing some kind of DIY. I hope I'm able to get to it. So I decided to buy this, and you all know two pieces are so comfortable, so easy to wear. If you don't know what to wear, like on that day that I have nothing to wear kind of a thing, just go ahead and pair two pieces and you're good to go. Just put your shoes on and you'll be good to go. So I'll be showing you what I recently purchased for SHEIN. It's not a lot. All right, it's just few items, and I just want to share that with you. Some other time I'll be styling them and let you all see how I'm going to restyle those outfits. But for today, we're doing try on haul by SHEIN. Before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. On this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. So I'm going to be styling with this first. This is what I was going for. I was thinking of buying something that will go with the outfits that I wanted to wear to an event. So I decided to go on SHEIN and I purchased these shoes. But they didn't work for the events, but actually worked for something else. I'm really glad I purchased it. They are very comfortable. I wore it in one of my videos that I recently styled, which is the fall / winter outfit idea, whereby I styled a fall leather in so many ways. If you haven't seen that video before, I will leave the link in the description box or up here for you to be able to watch that. I style this mini skirt in so many ways. If you are not a lover of mini skirt or short skirt, you will see how you can actually incorporate that mini skirt into something else. I DIY towards the end of that video, so please watch that video. So back to these shoes. They are very comfortable and they're very affordable. You can style them in so many ways. You can see how it has this flowering pattern going on. You have blue, you have orange, you have green, then mint green. So this is the kind of shoe that you can use to pop of color on your outfit. If you're wearing the same from head to bottom and you started to pop in a color, you can put this. I wear size 40 and this is 40 US, which is 9 US size, and you can see it's just about, I'm thinking this is like 2.5 inch. The heel is not too high for those that can't really wear high heel. It has this gold detailing here, and it has this plastic wear at the bottom to give you more support so that it's not going to be slippery when you're walking. Also, the bottom has a non-slippery effect design at the bottom. And something else I purchased to go with this is in their shoe department is the shoe accessories, what you can use to put in your shoe to make it more soft, more comfortable, like more durable for wearing, that you won't feel pain, right? So this is what I'm talking about that I just purchased. I've never used any of this before. I was just curious, like, will it help to ease the pain on your feet when you're wearing high heels? So ladies, it feels very comfortable. I already went ahead and put it in. I'm just going to raise my leg up like so for you all to see it. I already put it. What I can tell you is it feels very soft. It feels very comfortable. I feel like it's going to ease the pain, like when you're wearing it for a very long time, it's going to ease that pain. Another thing I found out about shoe pad is if you have a shoe that is too big, you can actually use this to pad it up so that it's going to fit and it's going to still give you that comfort or ease that you're going for. So this is how, of course, the way they came in. I already opened it, so I'm just going to go ahead and I think I bought something that is very different. I'm just curious, not that I need it, but some of my ladies out there, you might need it. This is what they call the body shaper, the one that is supposed to, like, give you that snitch and very tiny waist. I'm gonna try it and let you all know if it worth buying or not. That's the only kind of the different thing that I purchased again. This is the first one, which is the pants is black and a straight pants. It's a little bit flare at the bottom, and it's high-waisted, as this is size small. This is how this is looking. It doesn't have any pockets, and I like the way it feels. And here is the second one. It's a two-piece. It suits. So I'm going to go ahead and try. Remember, this is not a styling video. I would have ironed it, so pardon the way it's looking right now. When I'm going to style it again, you're going to see them looking real good and real ironed, okay, steamed or ironed, whichever one is comfortable for me as at that point in time. It's just one button that it has at the front, and this is size small. It's from SHEIN. Okay, we're doing SHEIN, and this is the pant at the waist. The waist has an elastic band, two pockets right here. They are very functional, and it has this design detailing at the front like that. Blazer doesn't have a pocket. It's just like this. Go ahead and try this on, and let's see how it's gonna look. Here is the blazer. You have shoulder pad on it, and this is how it is looking on me. I like it. I like that the sleeve is just right there where it's supposed to be. It's not too long, not too short. And this is how this is looking. Just imagine wearing that shoe on this. It will be a pop of color. I'm going to go ahead and just put it. It's not a styling video, but I just want to satisfy my curiosity and see how it's going to look. Look at that with the shoe. Look at that. It's really beautiful. See? This is the back. And this is the front. Ignore this. You know, I wouldn't wear this with this kind of outfit. So this is the last two piece. This is the pants. It has a button at the front and a zipper, and has two pockets which are functional. And this is the vest top. This is size small as well. It has 3 buttons at the front. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on, and let's see how this is going to look on me. So here is the last one. It feels really comfortable. It's very light. It's very breathable. Oh wow, I really love this. I just paired with that shoe from SHEIN as well. It has this 4 button. I thought it was 3, but by the time I put it on, I realized there are 3 of them on it. Wow, and the pockets, it's perfect fit. It's size small. It looks really nice. Like you could dress this like up and down depending on what you're going for. I love it. It's so comfortable. This is far away the best, like out of everything I tried on. I just love how it's not tight, it's not loose. It's just perfect for my body type. Very beautiful. I love it. And the color too, it's really beautiful. See how everything just look like I was born with it, right? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. What do you all think, ladies? Let me know in the comment section. So this is the waist snatcher, the body shaper that it's on SHEIN. I don't know. This is it. I'm going to try to wear it with a dress. I'll wear that dress first, show you, then without this under it, then I'll wear it with this under, and you all will tell me if you all see any difference. That's all I can do with this. This dress is by Fashion Nova. I don't have any body shaper underneath. This is just the dress that I have on aside from my bra. All right, and I have that camisole that I didn't take it off because I'm so much in a hurry right now, but that's all. I don't have anything under, so that is the bottom line. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me turn around for you all to see. Yeah, this is how the back is looking. I don't know if you all can see it, but it does make a little difference. Like I could feel my waist a little bit more snitched in. You know how you have this bloated part, and anytime you're bloating, like it's just flattening my stomach more. I don't really need it, you know, but this is just it. So let me come to the front for you all to see. This is how the back is looking. Can you tell the difference from before and after I put on the body shaper? And very affordable. It's not those ones that you spend a lot of money on, and it feels comfortable. So far it feels very comfortable on me. And that is it, ladies. This is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and please, most importantly, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please leave me your comments in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.